Then the Goldball and Nickel, you both got over 4,000 votes!
Oh dear, I really hope you don't leave us, team leader!
Don't worry, Basketball. I will try my hardest to remain on the team too. Hey, shush, she's talking to me. Whatever. It'll be so much easier when you're gone.
Quiet! Time for the vote reveal! Who's it gonna be? Who it does? Well, actually, I do. Golf ball straight. That ball's out! How's it feel, Paul, to be eliminated on the 8th episode? Your favorite number?
Donut, I told you, I don't have a...
Gravity's back on.
You guys. I'll miss you so much I'll probably never stop crying. My old pond. Oh, this is so terrible. And I'm such a sad duck.
Poor Lula. We can't find her anywhere. Can any of you tell Pocoyo where Lula is?
Dear sweet little foot, do you remember the way to the Great Valley?
I guess so. But why do I have to know you're gonna be with me?
Why, God, why? Is there nothing I can do to stop this madness?
They're gone. This is the worst birthday ever. Well, I guess I better tell the mad scientist that I lost all the monsters. I worked so hard on that.
It's true what they say, like a rainy day. I'm gray, just gray.
Why? I missed... Oh, please come back.
Oh, Mother Sea, 'tis with a heavy heart that we commit our beloved Gubbles back into your sweet embrace. And now, a moment of silence.
But now Joe's gone. The loud noise frightened him.
I said we shouldn't have come. It's magic. We ought to go back before anything happens. Don't go too near the edge, Kipper. You'll fall off. We don't...
I'm sorry for the lost hot dog. I remember when I first stitched you about 5 minutes ago.
Oh, Tiki, I think I have the hiccups. Yes, Tiki, I think I have the hiccups. Uh-oh, don't look now. But it's terrible. It's horrible. Oh, no. My tiger cake, look. It got all smushed. It's just one big smush cake. How would you feel if your cake was smushed? Grr, I'm so disappointed. Aw, it's not raining.
Cutter, is everything okay?
Oh, sure, Bear. But I was just thinking, is it true what that old dog said about not having a home? I mean, being homeless? Little bro! No!
Look out! She's gonna blow her top!
Rah, 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 rah. bra beat.
Emma, can you hear something? It sounds like someone's crying. Who is it? Who's crying, everyone? It's Captain Feathersword. Oh, no. Oh, yes, Captain.
What's up with him?
I lost my hat! No, dog. I'm sure they remember it's your birthday. I have a feeling your birthday is going to get a whole lot better.
Today, Natalie,